So, hello everyone, welcome to the Alferdize, and this is the today we are going to see about the two functions which are two methods which are class methods and the static methods. So, what are these functions are used for, and what are their limitations or other things? So, so basically, a class method is belonging to a class, not to the instance of a class. Means if you're going to so what does it do? So for example, if this we have two functions named change and the advance. So here the you can see the both functions are doing the same thing. Means the both functions are performing the same action, but their results are different. How you will see that? So basically, first of all, I have created a class called name person and having the constructor in it, in which we have passing the three values: person ID, name, and salary. And we have created a two class attribute bonus and number of persons. So in number of person, we are increasing the number instance by instance, we are increasing the number of persons. If we are creating a one instance, then automatically there is an increment in the number of persons as we have given this. And individual we can say functionality in the constructors, and say we have created another function which will change the bonus of a person, and we have created a class method which will change the bonus of a class, or we can say that change the bonus of a class. And the another function which is an increment which will increment the salary of a person. And then another and it and the function display which will display the person ID, name, and the cell. And the last function we have is the static method count, which will count in and display the number of persons we have. So we have created a two instance of a class which are person one, person ID one, and oh, so apologies for this mistakes. And we have created a instance p1 and p2 through which using we are able to we are passing the person id 1 named and Brian and the salary 10,000. Another which is p2, we are creating an instance second one which have the person id 2 and name John Cena. They both are the wrestlers, and next one is the salary 50,000. Might be okay. Some approximate I don't know what. And first we are displaying p1, then we are displaying person bonus, means the bonus of a class. Then we are displaying the bonus of a instance p1, then we are changing the instance p1, and again we are displaying the bonus of a let's just change something else. So let's just do that. And so there's a direct connection comparison. So okay, let's, let's just do so done this. So as you can see, there is an wave displaying the result person ID. Let's just make it a little more proper so you can better understand it. Yeah. So there is an person ID, name, salary, which they are displaying. First of all, let's just see what's the person bonus. The class bonus is 1.25. The P1 bonus is also 1.0.5. The person bonus 1.0 is still 1.0.5, but the instance P1 bonus is 2.0. Now we have changed the bonus of a class to, here you can see the class bonus and the person bonus are different. Since we are performing these actions, here the instance P1 bonus is changed, and here the class bonus is changed, and you can see the changes here. So when we are changing the instance, so I would like to show you these changes are what. I just copy it. What I want to show you, I want to show you these changes are applicable for person instance P2 also. They just it's a direct comparison. So let's just make it P2. So whatever changes are done here is not. So let's just see there. Person bonus, P1 bonus all are same. Now we have changed the bonus of P2, and the person bonus and the P2 bonus are same. But when we have changed the person bonus to 3.0, the bonus of instance P2 is automatically changed. So how this you can see now how this instance is working. And for this for the class method, for normal methods we are passing the self, which is the instance of a object, or a instance of a, which is the instance of a class. But while class method, we are using class method, we are passing a CLS. What this CLS is? The CLS is nothing else than a class. So in this case we are passing not the instance of a class, but the whole class itself. If we change here, just like where is, yeah. So here you can see P1 dot advanced we have used, not person. We can use person. That's it. So is there any changes? No. So next I'm going to explain you about this static method. This static methods is used for we have used for the class person, and we are using it for changing the class for displaying the number of persons, and which is incrementing one by one as the instances are created. So this static method is doesn't belonging to the class or to the instance. It doesn't belongs to both of them. It is a static method which cannot be, which is we can say that it's not changing, and it does. So let's just see. We are using. I will use this instance is instance of this will show afterwards. So this is it. So this function doesn't belongs to class or itself. Or neither of both or one of them. It doesn't belongs to both of them. It is it's separate from that. That's why we are using static methods. And we have passed the person which can access, which is doesn't belongs to the class but can access the class methods. This is how we are. So that's it for today. And uh, and next video I'm going to show you how the list of objects or list of instance we can create. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share this video, you can share it. Thank you.